Welcome. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you or teach you how to add a audio on Canva using your computer. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, you want to open your browser, search for canva.com. And now I want you to do is to choose the videos option here at the upper part of your screen and select edit your videos with ease. And now I want you to click on the videos option here at the lower left side of your screen and choose or click record yourself. So now you can just go ahead and start recording yourself. And if you don't want to show yourself, you can turn the camera here at this section. Okay. So now just go ahead and click record. So you can start talking now. And if you're happy with it, just go ahead and click on done. So click save and exit once you're done with your recording. Just wait. And then here. So there, when you play your video, you can now hear the audio that you recorded earlier. So that is how you do it. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one, and have a great day.